So there are people who have 1200 stores, 1400 stores. We should first find out the financials from registrar of companies, and then look at those 1200, 1400, 1500 stores and put the financials and the top line, everything. I think once you look at those financials for 1 hour, lot of things, lot of answers you get by yourself, so eventually, whether are you creating scale or you are just doing hard work, that is more important. So financially also it should make sense. So I think eventually over a period of 5 years you'll realize that who are the winners and who are actually existing or not existing. Technology and upgradation is a must in today's worlds of Blinkits and Zomatos. Where people are expecting everything in 10 minutes. I'm sure we'll have 10 minutes में laundry also in the next seminar. Once somebody will come up with that. But because the expectations of the customers are much higher and they don't different, like what Anupji and Chirag were discussing. They don't differentiate between the service levels of a food delivery app or a laundry services. So probably we need to, at least, if we cannot match the tech, but at least we have to upgrade our tech, we have to upgrade our packaging, and a lot of things where the output becomes presentable to the customer in today's world. Standardization across stores. If you have multiple stores, 10, 15, 20, the experience across those stores have to be in fact the same, not even similar. For that, I think processes. That's the only way you can do it. Audits have to be quite strong. You may not like it. I don't like audits because all mistakes come in front. But I think it improves the process. Eventually, it results in a better customer experience.